there. Woo-wee.
Monica, is Ty a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What?
It's me right here.
Check me on my YouTube, I'm that nigga coming up. I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back. Tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop. Mess around and you can yeah, my niggas, we don't play.
What is good, YouTube?
Time money.
I really should have shaved before I started filming, but it's too late for that now. Today, we're gonna watch Space Jam 2. Well, my boy, LeBron James. Ever since last year when they said LeBron was gonna be in the Space Jam 2 movie, I already told myself I had to watch it. So I'm finna go support my boy in the new Space Jam 2 movie. So right now it is 2:39. It's 2:39 right now, and the movie starts at 3:30. So about to get up and get ready. About to grab something to eat and then start heading down there, man. You know, I'm really excited. I already bought the tickets and everything too. Yes, sir. Space Jam 2, 3:30, Sunday. Bruh, this ticket was $13, bruh. Like, I haven't been to the movies in a little minute, so I done forgot how much a movie ticket costs. But this was $13, bruh. But yeah, man, I done forgot the prices of movie tickets. I guess that's how long I haven't been to a movie theater. Since what, COVID? Nah, before that. Way before COVID. I never used to go. I used to always think less than an hour left, so I don't want to be late. Pretty sure it's gonna be very packed because it's Sunday. This movie came out, what, Friday, Sunday? 2 days ago. So it's still fairly new. Everybody trying to go see King James in the theaters, bro. Like, who don't want to see King James? If you don't want to see King James, bro, you just a hater, bro.
My haters. Just want to say, I love you guys.
So you guys, I'm currently getting ready right now. But guess what? The kid is late, man. You feel me? No, I'm always late to everything that I go. But you feel me? I have to support the boy, Laker 23. Even though that boy did change his number to 6. I'm gonna have to get a number 6 jersey pretty soon. Or shirt, say no jersey. I'm gonna have to get a number 6 shirt pretty soon, bro. Once he changed the number 6, we're gonna win like, what, 20 championships in a row? That boy gonna keep going, bro. Believe. That boy finna keep going. But I'm finna start heading out real soon, so. Yo, I didn't even get to eat my food, bro. Pull up to my hotel. Yo, shout out to my aunt for letting me use the whip. We here, man. That's the box office. But I already bought my ticket. Hello. Do you need a mask?
No, if you're vaccinated, then you're good.
All right.
Okay.
I forgot my mask. Okay, I don't even know where I'm going, bro. I think it's Theater 7. Where is Theater 7? All right, let me look on the ticket. Theater 7. Okay, here we go. I see it. I got my eyes on the prize. I see it. Here we go.
Far and wide for the perfect partner for this launch. And I finally found him. LeBron James. Pete, he's a family man, an entrepreneur, a social media superstar with millions of fans worldwide. Today, it's my time to shine. Just look at this guy, Pete.
your son go, Bron?
What in the Matrix? Hell, tell me what's going on.
Dad, I think we're digitized. We're in the computer.
We're in the computer?
Dad.
You know I'm claustrophobic. How do we get out of here? Where's the elevator?
Look at your faces. You were terrified.
What the? I'm a cartoon? Is this where the game is going to happen?
Oh, yeah, you look sharp, Looney Tunes.
Algie, this means war.
Whatever, Bugs.
Where's my son?
Oh, now you want to be Daddy of the Year? Just calm down. It's game time.
Mommy, lunch is time.
Oh my God. Kids!
Run!
Let me tell you what. I know that you all are LeBron's biggest fans.
No
And the
doubt,
King has
no
had a
doubt.
great run, hasn't he?
Anthony Davis.
Flyest guy on the squad. Dang. You do to my boy AD. You going down, King James.
What's good, baby?
AD.
Yo, Brown, I think it's time for your eyebrows to break up with each other.
Damn.
They ugly.
Damn.
What do you mean?
Down, go, the King!
Is this legal?
It's halftime right now. Taking a little halftime break.
I don't know if this counts as a miracle, but I found Michael Jordan. He was in the audience.
Let's go, Queen.
Yeah. Second half, let's go. Second half.
Hey, Porky. I'm trying.
Brian, who you really are, Notorious B.I.G.
Baby, baby.
Oh boy, here goes nothing.
Tunes. Let's go, Tunes. Let's go, Tunes. Let's go, Tunes. Let's go, Tunes. Run for the alley. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh. D-Wade. Hey man, I'm not even gonna cap. That movie was really good. Like, it was definitely up there with the first one. I really enjoyed this one. You know, I'm not just saying that because Bron's my boy or I'm a Laker fan or anything, but this Space Jam 2 was a good movie. I definitely recommend it. Like, I'll probably give it a 10 out of 10. I mean, there was a lot of like inside jokes that if you don't watch basketball or you don't know a lot about LeBron, you're not gonna get it. So, you know, I got all the inside jokes. So the movie was funny to me. But honestly though, I'm not even gonna cap. I think I might want to watch it one more time. I might buy another ticket to see it one more time. So, you know, it was really that good. I really enjoyed it. And Bron, that boy Bron did his thing, bruh. That boy can act. That boy came back from a 3-1 lead in real life in the finals, and then he came back from 1,000 points down. That's real legendary, bruh. That's the GOAT. LeBron did his thing, bro. Boy can definitely act.
I don't know what's next. Yeah. I don't want my ex. No. I'm not trying to flex.
What can I say? Mamba out.